Let's keep it simple with Professor English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Professor English Podcast. I'm Ben.
And I'm Lily. Hey everyone, how are you all doing today?
We hope you're having a great day. Today, we have a really exciting topic to talk about.
Yes, we're talking about how people become fluent in English. This is a question we get all the time from our listeners.
That's right. People always ask us, how long does it take? Or what's the secret?
Well, today we're going to share our personal stories and some tips that really worked for us.
And we're going to be honest about the mistakes we made, too.
Oh yes, we made so many funny mistakes. Are you ready for some laughs, Ben?
Always ready, Lily. Let's dive in.
So, Ben, let me start with the big question. How long did it take you to become fluent in English?
Oh, wow, that's a good question. For me, it took about 3 years of real, consistent practice.
3 years? That's actually not too bad.
Yeah, but here's the thing, Lily. I need to be honest with our listeners. Those 3 years were not easy. I made a lot of mistakes at first.
Really? Can you tell us about some of those mistakes?
Oh my goodness, where do I even start? Okay, so I remember one time very clearly. I was at a party with some friends.
Okay, go on.
I wanted to tell everyone that I was feeling embarrassed about something, but instead of saying I'm embarrassed, I said I'm pregnant.
Oh no, that's so funny. What happened?
Everyone stopped talking and looked at me with these big, confused eyes. They were like, "What? You're what?"
I can imagine. You must have been so confused.
I was. I didn't understand why everyone was acting so strange. Then someone explained to me that I said the wrong word.
That's hilarious. But you know what? I made similar mistakes too.
Really? Tell us. What happened to you?
Okay, so this is embarrassing, but I'll share it. I went to a restaurant because I was really hungry.
Okay, I'm listening.
I wanted to order chicken. You know, chicken, the food. But I said kitchen instead of chicken.
Wait, so you told the waiter you wanted to eat the kitchen?
Exactly. I said, "Can I have one kitchen, please?"
Oh no, what did the waiter say?
He looked at me like I was crazy. He said, "Sorry, what do you want?" I had to repeat it 3 times before I realized my mistake.
That's amazing. But you know what, Lily? These mistakes are actually really important.
What do you mean?
I mean, making mistakes is how we learn. If we never make mistakes, we never improve.
That's so true. So listeners, please don't be afraid to make mistakes when you speak English.
Yes, every mistake is a lesson. Every mistake teaches you something new.
Exactly. Now, Ben, I want to ask you something. What helped you the most when you were learning English?
That's a great question. I think watching movies and TV shows really helped me a lot.
Oh, me too. That was one of my favorite ways to learn.
What did you watch?
I loved watching Friends. Do you know that show?
Of course. Everyone knows Friends. It's a classic.
Right. I watched every single episode like 10 times, maybe even more.
10 times? Wow, that's dedication.
Yes, and here's what I did. At first, I watched with subtitles in my language.
That makes sense.
Then I changed to English subtitles, and finally I turned off all subtitles and just listened.
That's a really smart method. It's like training your ears slowly.
Exactly. What did you watch?
I did something a little different. I watched YouTube videos.
Oh, YouTube is great for learning. What kind of videos?
Cooking videos. I absolutely love cooking, so I watched English cooking channels.
Oh, that's brilliant. So you were learning English and learning to cook at the same time.
Exactly. 2 skills for the price of one.
I love that. And I think that's an important tip for our listeners. Learn English through topics you already enjoy.
Yes, if you love sports, watch sports in English. If you love fashion, watch fashion videos in English.
Right. It makes learning so much more fun and easy.
So here's a question for you, Lily. Did you practice speaking with real people?
That's a great question. I did, but not at first. I was too shy at the beginning.
Really? You were shy?
Yes, I was so afraid of making mistakes. I thought people would laugh at me.
But they didn't, right?
No, when I finally started talking to people, everyone was so nice and patient with me.
That's wonderful. For me, practicing with real people was super important. I found a language partner online.
Oh, how did that work?
We used an app to connect. She was from England, and she wanted to learn my language. I wanted to learn English.
Oh, so it was like an exchange?
Exactly. We helped each other. We talked on video calls twice a week for about an hour each time.
That sounds perfect. So you both got to practice.
Yes, and you know what? She became a really good friend, too. We still talk sometimes, even now.
That's beautiful. I love that. Language learning can create friendships.
Absolutely. What about you? How did you practice speaking?
Okay, this might sound a little crazy, but I talked to myself.
Wait, you talked to yourself? Like alone?
Yes, I know it sounds weird, but it really worked for me.
I'm so curious now. How exactly did you do it?
Well, when I was alone at home, I would describe everything I was doing in English.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. For example, I would say things like, now I'm making coffee. I'm boiling water. I'm putting sugar in my cup. Oh, this coffee is very hot. I need to wait.
That's actually brilliant.
Right? And the best part is no one can judge you when you talk to yourself.
That's true. You can make all the mistakes you want and nobody will laugh.
Exactly. And you can practice anytime, anywhere, in your bedroom, in your kitchen, even in the shower.
In the shower? Really?
Yes, why not? It's a great place to practice because no one can hear you.
That's a fantastic tip. So, listeners, try this at home. Talk to yourself in English.
Yes, describe what you're doing, what you're seeing, what you're feeling. Just speak.
I love it. Now, let's talk about reading. Did you read books in English, Lily?
Yes, I did. But I need to be honest about something.
What's that?
At first, I tried to read difficult books, like classic literature, and it was way too hard.
Oh, I can imagine. What did you do?
I decided to start with easier books, children's books, actually.
That's not embarrassing at all. That's actually very smart.
Thank you. I read books like Charlotte's Web, The Little Prince, and Harry Potter.
Those are great books. The language is simple, but the stories are beautiful.
Exactly. And slowly, step by step, I moved to harder books.
That's the right way to do it. Start easy and build up.
Yes. What about you? Did you read books?
I did something a little different. I read the news in English every single morning.
Oh, that's a good idea too. The news uses different language.
Right. I learned a lot of formal English from reading the news. Words about politics, economy, science.
That's important. You need casual English for talking with friends and formal English for work or school.
Exactly. Both types of important to learn.
So, listeners, read what interests you. If you like news, read news. If you like stories, read stories.
Perfect advice. Hey, Lily, what about music? Did music help you learn English?
Oh my goodness, yes. Music helped me so much. I absolutely love English songs.
Me too. I learned so many phrases and expressions from songs.
Right? And songs are so fun to learn from. What was your favorite song to learn from?
I really liked Yesterday by the Beatles. Do you know it?
Of course, that's a beautiful song.
Yes, and it's perfect for learning because it's slow and the pronunciation is very clear.
That's a good point. Some songs are too fast or the pronunciation is not clear.
Right. You need to choose the right songs. What about you? What did you listen to?
I loved Adele's songs. Her voice is amazing and her pronunciation is so clear.
Oh, yes. Adele is perfect for learning English.
And you know what's fun? You can sing along. Singing is like practice speaking, but more enjoyable.
That's true. When you sing, you practice pronunciation, rhythm, and you learn new words.
Exactly. So listeners, listen to English songs and sing along.
Yes, even if you're not a good singer.
Exactly. Nobody is listening to you at home, so just sing.
I love it. Now, Lily, I want to ask you something. What was the hardest thing about learning English for you?
That's a tough question. I think probably the phrasal verbs.
Oh, yes. Phrasal verbs are so tricky.
Right? Like give up, put off, look after, turn down, get over. There are so many.
And sometimes they don't make any logical sense at all.
Exactly. Like, why does turn down mean to refuse something? It doesn't make sense.
I know. English can be confusing sometimes.
Very confusing. What was the hardest thing for you?
For me, I think it was understanding different accents.
Oh, that's difficult. There are so many different accents in English.
Right? British English, American English, Australian English, Irish English, Scottish English.
They all sound so different.
Yes. At first, I could only understand American English because that's what I studied.
And then?
Then I watched a British movie and I couldn't understand anything. I was so confused.
That happens to everyone.
But you know what? That's completely okay. You don't need to understand every accent perfectly.
That's true. Just keep listening to different accents and slowly you'll understand better.
Exactly. Your ears will adjust over time.
Yes. Now, Ben, here's an important question. How long did you practice English every day?
At the very beginning, I practiced maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour every day.
That's not too much. That's very manageable.
Right. You don't need to study for 5 hours a day. That's too much, and it's not sustainable.
I agree. It's much better to study a little bit every single day.
Yes, consistency is the key. It's better to study 30 minutes every day than to study 5 hours once a week.
Exactly, because when you study every day, your brain doesn't forget what it learned.
Right. Small steps every day will lead to big results over time.
That's such good advice. So listeners, remember this. Practice a little bit every single day.
Even if it's just 15 or 20 minutes, every little bit helps.
Yes, and make it a habit. Do it at the same time every day if possible.
Great tip. Maybe in the morning with your coffee or in the evening before bed.
Exactly. Make it part of your daily routine. Okay, Ben, we're running out of time. Let's wrap this up. What's your number one tip for becoming fluent in English?
My number one tip is this. Don't be afraid to speak. Make mistakes and learn from them. That's how you improve.
Perfect advice. My tip is make English fun. Watch movies you enjoy, listen to music you love, read books about topics that interest you.
Yes, if English is fun, you'll keep doing it every day.
Exactly. Learning should be enjoyable, not boring or stressful.
So everyone listening right now, I want you to know something. You can become fluent in English.
Yes, it might take time, it might be challenging sometimes, but you can absolutely do it.
Just be patient with yourself. Don't give up when it gets difficult.
Right. And remember, we're all learning together. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
That's true. Nobody is perfect.
So be kind to yourself and enjoy the journey.
Perfect. Now, before we finish today's episode, we have a small request.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please subscribe to Professor English Podcast.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us create more content for you.
And leave us a comment. Tell us your English learning story. We'd love to hear from you. We're here to help you on your English learning journey.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to Professor English Podcast.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember to have fun.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. Bye.